Today's the day that I always knew would happen. Today, I marry my best friend.
August afternoon,
I remember when we first met,
I can picture you
when we first held hands during the Our Father.
your father at your side. In the summer heat, California speaks softly like she's making.
Since then, we've spent every waking moment together.
And now
We supported each other, especially through our faith.
beside you, I say,
She always knew what was best for me.
isn't it crazy that we are born?
I remember the times when we had our minds set on our future.
Oh, but lately,
But you always knew what was best for me. I remember when everything was clear for me. I didn't want to break your heart.
Isn't it crazy
I didn't want to admit it.
that we are born
But you always knew what was best for me.
only to die?
And today, I return the favor.
Oh, but lately,
Today is the day that I always knew would happen. Today, I marry my best friend to the love of her life.
'Cause I